So we partnered up with AZUTO again, and now we have a rear window handle. So what that means, when you have a hardtop and you lift up the glass and you see that black box inside, it's going to turn that section into a handle. So now you're not grabbing onto the glass and closing it. It has a nice little handle we can install. Grab it, close it, and on we go. So like the rest of AZUTO's packaging, it's really nice quality. So let's take a look inside and see what we get. Let's open it up. That's the cover with the handle. Instructions with the little Allen key. And that's it. So let's take this out of the packaging. So I'm not exactly sure yet if this just goes over the existing black box or if this is a new piece that goes in place of the black box that's already there. But we'll figure that out in a minute. And then there's the handle. Pulls it down. Nice little grips for your fingers. Tucks back into place when you're not using it. So looking over the instructions, it looks like we're gonna take the 2 existing screws off the box that's on the glass now, pull that cover off, put this piece on, and then use those existing screws with the Allen head and then pop this back on. And then once again, this is what it looks like with the handle out. This is behind. And then when you're done using the handle, you just tuck it away and it goes flat, which is kind of a nice little deal there. So let's head out to the garage. We'll get it installed now. All right, so we're in the garage. We're gonna get that piece off behind the glass. So we just lift up the glass. We're working on this piece right here. You may not have this light. That's in a different video. I did an install video on that if you like that. But there's 2 screws we need to get out. And we're gonna use the provided Allen wrench to get it out. It's just a little screw like that. This is the second screw. That's the cover off. All right, so here's a new cover with the handle. There's only one right way to do this. They have a cutout for this hose right here. And then you can kind of see your bolt holes line up right there. Stick that back in. Tighten it up. The second one tightens up. So easy enough install. It was just those 2 screws. Now you can see the new box with the handle, and when we want to use the handle, you just grab it, pull down. You never touch the glass, which is great. And if you want the handle to be put away, you just push it into place and it flattens it out. You would do that under the glass though. Just push it into place. You can leave the handle out too. I mean, everything's rubber, so it really shouldn't have a rattle to it. But if you want to put it back in place, like I said, just push it back in place. So I actually like this product a lot. I'm gonna leave it down in my description if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. Like I said, it comes with the one little tool that you need. You just remove the factory screws and replace it with their handle. Pretty simple. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.